What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on AMP token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we hit this range of about 4 cents, and this is our lowest point. And because of this point, and because we didn't break this range, the previous bottom, this means this asset is still bullish, and I've told you that you can put your stop loss slightly below the 4 cents range in order to accumulate your position in order to hit our targets. And our first short-term target was at 0.382 level, and as you can see with this movement we didn't hit it, and we basically had about, let me show to you, about 1.5% miss on this target. But still, in my opinion, it's quite good movement, so we don't need this scale anymore. And we have this next movement to the upside as our general movement, because it has a huge volume right here. And we hit only 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and we didn't hit this major target at about 13 cents. But in my opinion, it is still in play because we didn't break this bottom, and instead of this, we have double bottom pattern that is extremely bullish. And in my technical analysis, I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. And for now we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.59 trillion. It is roughly 5% increase over the last day. And as you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum are up during last 24 hours for 5.86% and 6.8% respectively. Bitcoin is not out of the woods on the 7-day period. It is down for about 0.38%. But Ethereum is already up by 3.22%. And I have to say that this price action is quite healthy, because the longer we are waiting for some kind of news that might drive the price higher, the less possibilities we have to go lower. And it is a very good sign. So, and let's continue with the AMP token. For now, it has a total market cap of $2.75 billion. It's up for about 8.32%. And for now, this token has rank number 65, as you can see right here. And its total tradable volume is $462.58 million. And it's up for mind-blowing 451%. And I have to say that this volume, with the movement to the upside, is very good sign for the token, because the more volume we have on a certain direction, the more evidence we have that this direction is our new trend line. And let's continue with the recent news, why we have these searches in price. First of all, we have this one, and it is definitely the Binance listing. And we have on Binance several tweets about this. The latest one was made on November 24th, related to AMP and the Flexa payment network. And on top of that, we have very good support from retail investors, and for now, as you can see, we are on appwisdom.io, and this website tracks the activity on Reddit threads. And if you switch to all threads, you can see that AMP token is on the 11th place, and it's up for about 52 positions, and it has 232 mentions, and it has increased in these mentions by 527%, with about 2500 upvotes. Very good achievement, and this means, in my opinion, this token is gaining its momentum. On top of that, on stocktweets.com, we have on the most active top folder, we have this token on the 7th place, with number of messages of about 2500 as well. And right here on the watchers section, we have AMP token on the 1st place, and this means, in my opinion, this token has a huge upside potential for the short period and medium period of time. And let's continue with the recent news, and we are on motleyfool.com. This article was published on November 24th, and it says 3 reasons to buy AMP. And let me quote you this. The Flexa network has made instant cryptocurrency transactions possible with its collateralized token AMP. AMP has non-inflationary fixed supply of tokens, which is likely to put upward pressure on price. And Flexa has a diverse and ever-increasing network of partnerships likely to increase the adoption rate of AMP. And I have to say that this token is quite interesting from the fundamental standpoint, because it has a limited supply, and let me show you right here that it has about 92 billion coins of max supply, and for now we have only 42.23 billion of AMP tokens. And the second reason, basically it was the second reason. First reason is that this token makes the instant payments possible. And the main downside of cryptocurrency payments that they have to have some kind of approval from the net. And this token, AMP token, solves this problem with its own collateral. If a given payment fails, the merchant will receive AMP and be compensated for the loss. And this is a quite interesting idea, and it works perfectly well with the Flexa network. And this means it has a second, basically, reason why we should place this token at least in our watch list. And the third one, the Flexa has a diverse network of partnerships. AMP's parent company Flexa is making major moves in the cryptocurrency space. Its network is currently accepted at 41,336 locations in the United States and Canada, though this number is constantly and rapidly expanding. A quick look at Flexa Twitter account shows near-weekly updates on the new Flexa partnerships. This is a great news for AMP, and definitely the more partners this company has, the more value AMP token will have. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me mark for you this double bottom pattern that is extremely bullish. When you can see this type of pattern, and right after that or at this very point you can see the spike in volume, and we have this first small spike, but then we have this huge spike in volume. This means this might be the very lowest point for the medium period of time, depending on your time frame. And let me show you that for now we have this wave is already completed, and we have this retracement, and for now we have the next movement to the upside. And let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, we have very good reaction. And let me show you more thoroughly. First of all, we had a very good reaction from the golden pocket, from the range in between 0.618 and 0.65 Fibonacci levels. Then we broke it to the downside and had a good reaction from 0.786 range at about $0.049 price point. And we broke even this range, but instead of hovering below this level, we went higher. And for now, we have, in my opinion, this movement as our first wave. This is our second, this is our third, fourth and fifth. And this is nothing else but the first wave to form our third wave. And if it is the bottom, we have this is our first wave on a greater scale, this is our second, and this is our next first wave on a slightly smaller scale in order to form our third wave. And if it is the case, we have to have a retracement. And let me show you what levels we might land. And for this case, I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom for now to this top, and we have following targets. First of all, 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at $0.065. Next one, 0.5 at $0.061, and the golden pocket, the range in between $0.057 and $0.058. So we might hit these levels, and these levels might be your accumulation point in order to hit some higher targets. And when we have the trend reversal somewhere here, I will do another update and I will project on a smaller scale where we might land our next wave. But on a general scale, from this very bottom, I can project following targets. I can pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of this wave. And as long as we have this as our lowest point and this is our highest point, and as long as this pivot holds, we can project following targets. If it is the first wave, on a slightly bigger scale, we have to land our third wave. And our main target might be right here at 1.618 extension level at the price point of $11.9. So let's take a pause on this range, and until we won't hit it, I don't need to make some aggressive targets in order to shield this token. I just want to be as conservative as possible in order to make the most precise technical analysis. So from our current level, from the level of 0.382, we might have about 84% of upside potential to this target. And in my opinion, we might hit it in a matter of couple of weeks. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!